Take your ball peen texture head and insert it into your multifunction hammer with a notch facing down. Secure the texture head in the hammer by tightening the screw at the bottom of the handle. Then place your first stamping blank on your stamping block. And you're going to hold the multifunction hammer at the bottom of the handle with the palm of your hand over the screw. You'll use one finger off to the side to hold your blank in place while you're texturing. Then you're going to hit your stamping blank with medium force until your entire stamping blank is textured to your preferred liking. And as you texture, it's normal for the screw to loosen up over time. Tighten the screw at the bottom of the handle before you continue texturing your next stamping blank. Now place your second stamping blank on your block, and you can use a piece of stamp tape to secure your blank to the block so it doesn't move while you're texturing. And you'll use the same technique to texture through the tape into the blank. And when you're done texturing to your preferred liking, you'll just remove the stamp tape, and then you're ready to dap. You're going to place your dapping block on your stamping block, and you're going to place your first stamping blank textured side up inside the smallest dapping cavity of the block. You're going to hold the punch in the center of the blank and anchor your hand on the dapping block so it doesn't move. Then you'll use your stamping hammer to strike the punch in the center. Then you'll rotate the punch while continuing to hammer so you achieve a nice evenly domed stamping blank. And you'll follow the same technique to dap your second stamping blank. So now you're going to take your ear wire and your chain nose pliers, and you're just going to use your pliers to slightly pull out the ball from the wire. Then you'll take your textured blank and you'll slide your blank textured side first onto the back of the ear wire, swiveling the blank around so it clears the bend and sits in the bottom curve of the wire. Then you'll use your chain nose pliers again to gently push the ball back in to secure the blank to the ear wire.